is Hannah Wilson, a new manager in MMM Global Research. Well, as a graduate of this course, I have to say I am really, really happy that I got to be where I am today. I got to learn about things I never knew, got to explore some online resources. I now understand and know MMM better. And I know that I can be able to help my community, both online and offline, to also reach their financial freedom. Well, to be a participant in this class, but in school, in this course rather, one has to be patient, hardworking, and I have realized that those are the qualities I really, really have. Because it hasn't been an easy journey. And I also learned the importance of teamwork since we are all working as a team. Well, this has been the greatest school ever. Enjoyable. Tasks, they have demos to help you through them. And I am really, really happy because I know I can and I am confident enough to help each and everyone I meet up there to understand Triple M better, as it is known in our community as Triple M. To get to help new participants to register with Bitcoin, to send Bitcoins anywhere around the world. I would like to thank my director, the organizers, for the hard work they've put through and for the patience of hanging up. Because I know it wasn't an easy journey. Thank you again. It was a great pleasure working with you.